Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and sign in, then fund your account using linked bank or instant deposit to proceed with trades. Use limit orders for precise prices and stop orders to manage risk. Review order confirmation before submitting and monitor positions in the Portfolio tab. Remember to set notifications and consider tax implications on gains. Start small and learn as you go. Funding your account and picking the right order type will shape your results, so get comfortable with both. Link your bank or choose instant deposit when you need speed, and use ACH for routine funding. Market orders execute quickly while limit orders lock your price, and fractional shares let you buy partial stock amounts. Practice on small trades until you understand execution and settlement timing, then scale up gradually. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy investors who want clean floors while they research stocks, with voice control and smart mapping that learns your home. It's a handy time saver, and it actually talks less than the markets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Managing risk and taxes keeps your investing sustainable, so make them part of your routine. Use stop orders to protect against big losses and rebalance periodically to avoid concentrated bets. Keep detailed records of buy and sell prices to calculate gains and losses for taxes, and use the app's tax documents when filing. Treat learning as part of the process and review performance regularly to improve decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.